Hi, my name is Chibumo Sekwibiru. I'm a full-time student in the MBA class at the Wits Business School, and I'm due to complete my MBA in the next 2 weeks.
Hi, I'm David Gelnes. I recently completed my MBA part-time here at Wits Business School. Started in 2014, ended in 2016. Why Wits Business School for me? Well, the first primary reason is the brand, the heritage that's associated with the school. To be part of that is something magical, it's something really prestigious. Our alumni has been part of global businesses in South Africa.
It was without any shadow of doubt that the Wits Business School currently offers one of the best tailored programs compared to all the other business schools within South Africa and within the African continent in its entirety. And so the value that the education that one receives from the Wits Business School really kind of offers one an advantage over their competitors, given that the business environment is ever evolving and very competitive.
But when you realize that you can use your degree for so much better, for being this better person and helping society, it's an amazing feeling.
I certainly agree with you. I think it resonates very well with me when you make reference to diversity within the class and the kind of competitive advantage that one can harness from that diversity. The workload was unfathomable. It was a lot of work, and there was no chance at all that one could complete the program in isolation or in an island. And so we had to work together with diverse minds from different parts of the world, and that has to date given our business a competitive advantage, because we are now in a position where we can better understand markets that we had absolutely no idea about at the onset. And so we value that immensely, and we appreciate the workload and the working relationship with our colleagues.
That's amazing, to realize your own limitations and that you can push them, you can push that boundary, you can be so much better.
Certainly.
It's absolutely wonderful.